We're anticipating some snow and freezing rain. I don't have great internet here at the ranch. Not a bad thing. Beth is going to do some more search for me on weather radar and let me know what the weather conditions are shaping up to be. I stopped out here at the ranch just to tidy up a little bit, and driving was a little treacherous. In fact, on the way out to the ranch this morning, unfortunately, there was a small Ford Explorer that must have hit some icy snow in a curve, went off the road upside down facing backwards. But I just got a phone call from Beth, and weather is changing.